Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we know the frequency on Earth can be equal to 1/2 pi times square root g over L. G is the acceleration of gravity on Earth, and L is the length of the pendulum. Okay, and we're saying that in the question, the frequency of the pendulum is 39% less when it's on the Mars, which means that the new frequency f prime here is actually equal to 1 minus 39%. And then times the O frequency here, okay, which will give us 0.61 f. And we also know that the new frequency can be equal to 1/2 pi times square root the new acceleration of gravity on Mars, which is g prime over L here. So therefore, we can set such equation here, which is 1/2 pi times square root g prime over L is equal to 0.61 times 1/2 pi times square root g over L. And as you can tell, 1/2 by 1/2 by can be cancelled out. L and L can be cancelled out. So therefore, we have square root g prime is equal to 0.61 times square root g. And then we can put square on both sides. Therefore, we have g prime is equal to 0.61 square times g, which is equal to 0.61 square times 9.8 meter per second square. Because the acceleration of gravity on Earth is 9.8 meter per second square, okay? Which is about, so the g prime, which is acceleration of gravity on Mars, is about 3.65 meter per second square. And this is the answer for this question.